Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to add one more functionality which is registering the user. Okay, so before that I'll show you one thing that currently we are logged in as admin. Okay, so let me go to the admin panel. Oh, sorry. Admin. I'll just log out from here. Okay, and if I refresh over here, it is showing me the error because it is not getting the logged in user's ID, right? That's why it is showing the error. And logically, if the user is not logged in, it should be on login page, right? So we need to fix this error first. And one more thing, so if I log in again and come over here, even though I'm logged in, I am able to see this login button, right? We also need to fix this one. So first we will fix this. So let's go to VS Code now. And here, I'll just close all these files. Okay, we don't need that. Now here, I'll just open this base.html file. And let's say here, if user.is_authenticated, then show this logout field. Okay, and also show this view task, and also show this home page button. Okay, I'll just tap this, and here I will just remove this view task because we are basically going to show all the tasks on home page. So I'll just remove that, and logout should be this way, right? And I also need to create one more link, which is register over here. Okay, login and register. Cool. Now here I'll pass URL of the home page. So I'll say URL. Okay, let's say home. And if you are new to this video, like you are watching this video for the first time and not following my video, so I'm able to bring these snippets like this one, URL, from the extension which is named as Django. So Django, this extension. Okay, it's very helpful. Okay, close this one. Now once this is done, let's go ahead and see. Okay, I need to remove and say hash, refresh. Okay, if user is authenticated, then show this logout and home, else show login and register. Okay, so this should fix our problem. Refresh. Yeah, home and logout. All right, now here I can like replace this home with view task. Okay, cool. Now once this is done, we will proceed with user registration. So here, let me go to the account because here we will be managing all our users. Okay, so here I'll just create one file which is going to be forms.py, and today I'm going to show you one magic. Okay, so here I will just import some packages. So it says from Django.contrib.auth import get user model. Okay, and from Django.contrib.auth.models import user. Okay, not users, I guess. From forms import user creation form. Okay, now here I'll say class, and here I'll say custom user creation form. This will extend custom user model like this custom user form. Okay, and here I'll say class meta, and here I'm going to say model equals to get user model. Okay, so this will basically call the user and create the user, call user model and create the user. And fields is going to be fields equals to username, then email, then password 1, and password 2. Okay, these are the fields which we will be using. So I guess this should be it for the forms. Now let's go to the views.py now. So here in the views.py we will create the view to register the user. Okay, so here I am just going to import few packages over here. So I'll say redirect, and here I'll say from dot forms import user creation, not user creation, sorry, custom user creation form. Okay, I don't know, it's not able to find this file. I don't know why. If we will face any error, then we will solve it. Don't worry about that. Okay, so after that we will say from django.contrib.auth import login. Okay, now here we will say def register underscore user, which will pass request, and here I will say if request dot method is double equals to post. Okay, sorry for that, post. I'll just post. Then here I'll say form is equals to custom user creation form. Okay, and here I'll say request dot post. Then we'll say if form dot is underscore valid, then we will say user equals to form dot save. Okay, and we will log in that user, so we will just pass request, okay, dot user, request comma user. Okay, then I'll say return redirect. And if this is not the case, else, then I'll just say form equals to custom user creation form, and also I'll say return render request, and here I can say account slash register.html. okay, and yeah, and also need to pass the form. So here I can say form equals to form. Okay, so here I'm passing inline dictionary. Okay, it is like you can pass either ways. You can just create the variable and create the dictionary and pass this key value pair and that pass that variable over here, or you can just directly pass this inline dictionary. That's fine. Okay, and I don't know about this. If I save this one, it is not throwing an error, so it should work. Let's see now. Okay, now once this is done, let's go over here in templates and create one folder which is going to be account. Okay, and inside that I'll just create this register.html, and in here I'll say extends base.html, and also I'll say div tag. I'll pass class equals to container and also empty-5 margin top 5, and then here I can say h2 tag, which is going to be register user. Then here I can say form with post request, and action is going to be URL register. Okay, and let's place this action to the back of the method. Okay, yeah, after that we will say csrf token, and here you can say div. Okay, then here it is going to be class equals to mb3, and here I'll say label, and for is going to be username. Class is going to be form label label. Okay, and the label is going to be username, and here I'll say input, and the type is going to be text, class is going to be form-control, and the ID is going to be username, and the name is going to be username, and the placeholder is going to be enter your username. Okay, cool. Now here you might be wondering that I am passing the form over here and not rendering that form directly over here. See, you write this code and you directly pass the form, it's going to be same. Okay, I will show you. At the end, this form is going to refer the name field which you pass over here. Okay, so if I pass the form to, I'll just pass and show you. Okay, form, save it. Now let's go to this urls.py, and here I'll say path register / and here I will say views.register. So for that I need to import from import views, and here I'll say views.register user. That is what the function name was. Yeah, and here I'll say name equals to register. Okay, so I'll just copy this name, go to the base.html, I'll say URL, paste that one, come over here in the browser, refresh, and if I go ahead and just log out first, log out. Okay, refresh, I'm getting the error as usual, but you can write register and hit enter. Okay, I need to write account /register. Sorry, my bad. Okay, why am I not able to see the form? Okay, so one more thing, I need to pass this code into the blog content. So I'll just do that. My bad, sorry. Save this one, refresh. Yeah, now see. Okay, to make it more clear, I'll say form dot username. Okay, yeah, so I'll just open this one, and see here, see the name of the field which we have created is username, right? This is, which means this one. Okay, and here this is the field which we are passing through this form directly from the form variable. Okay, and you can see the name variable over here, it's username, and the variable which is over here is username. Okay, so if we write same as this one, it is not important that you call the Python form which you have created all the time. You can directly pass this name variable, and then you can just send the data and it will register the user. Okay, and the main purpose of doing the things this way is that you can always like design your forms on your own way. Okay, you don't need to just go to this forms.py file and pass the classes, write widgets and all these things. You just create the form. Okay, use the name variable as it is, which is using this form, right? And then you are good, and you can design the form way you want. Okay, that is why I am using this method, because eventually if you call this form and it is writing the same thing, and I am also writing the same thing over here, although the ID is different and all those things is different, it doesn't matter. Only the name variable in the input field matters. Okay, that is why I am doing this one. I hope you got this idea, right? So I'll just close this one, remove this, and here I'm going to do the same thing for everything, like for email, then what was the password and password too. Okay, so here I can say email, the text field is going to be email. Okay, here I can say ID, name, and I'll say enter your email. And here I'll say password 1. Okay, PASSWORD, password 1, copy. Here I'll say password. Okay, because text type is going to be a password, not password 1, and I'll just copy that back again. ID will be password, name will be password 1, and here I'll say password. Enter your password, that's it. And here I'll say password 2, copy. Here I'll say password, copy, paste, and I'll say confirm your password, refresh. Okay, now this should work, honestly. Okay, I need to create the button. Cool. Button. Type. Oops. Submit. Class is going to be btn -primary. Okay, then I will say register. This should work. Refresh. Okay, so here I will say Yash. No, not Yash. I will say demo. Demo 1 @demo.com. Password is going to be common password which I use every time. Okay, I did one more mistake. Here everything says username. I'll just solve that. If I click on register, oh, it created the user. See? So if I log in to the admin panel in incognito browser, admin, yeah, see, demo1 user has been registered. So this is basically using the same form which we have created, but we wrote that form code manually, right? And the use of this form, like the form which we created, is to easily register the user. Okay, this is basically using directly the inbuilt user creation form and then taking all the fields and just fitting into that form. That's it. Alright, yeah, I hope you got the idea about this one. So here it is going to be username, here it is going to be email, and email, here it is going to be password, and it is going to be confirm password. Save. Logout is not working, we will do in another video. Maybe we can say admin. Okay, it is not logging out, but yeah, I'm sure this would reflect. Okay, so if I go to any other browser, maybe the admin is logged in over here, so I'll just log out the admin from the incognito browser, log out, go to the website. It is showing the error, of course, because we need to configure the login too. So here I will say /account/register. You can see username, email, password, confirm password, and if you click on register, it will register the user. So yeah, this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I hope you learned many things from this video. And it was long video, but yeah, it was, I think, worth it. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you in next one, and in next one we are going to see login, and I'll teach you one more thing in the login thing. Okay, so nowadays many websites offer login with username or email. Okay, if you enter your username or email in the same particular field, it is going to identify that you have entered the email, and then it is going to authenticate you and log in into the website, right? So we are going to implement the same thing. So I'll see you there. Bye bye.